Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Cozy Groove game for free till March 19 via the Epic Games Launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Epic Games Launcher. In the search store, search for Cozy Groove and then click on this base game Cozy Groove. And here you will see the get button, and the game is absolutely free till 19th March 2026. So click on this get button. Please wait, your order is loading. And then click on place order. Just wait, it is processing your order. And then you will see the view in library button. So click on it. And here you can see the Cozy Groove game has been added to my library. So click on this install button. Again click on install button. Click yes to allow. So by this way you can easily download and install Cozy Groove game on your PC via the Epic Games Launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.